In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide slides in Figma slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to temporarily remove a slide from your presentation flow and how to bring it back when you're ready. Start on the Figma home screen, either in your browser or the desktop app. This is where your recent files and team projects live. Locate the presentation file you want to adjust and open it. If you're working in a shared space, make sure you have edit access to the deck so you can make changes. Once the presentation is open, click on the slide you want to work on so it's in focus. You'll usually see your slides listed as thumbnails along the side or bottom of the interface. Clicking the slide here helps you clearly identify the one you're about to modify, especially if your deck is long or has similar layouts. Now select the specific slide you want to hide. When it's highlighted, you know Figma is targeting the correct slide for the next action. This is helpful for avoiding mistakes on lookalike slides or duplicates. With that slide selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. This is the quickest way to access slide-level options without digging through the top menus. If you prefer using menus, the action will be in the same context menu wherever you right-click on the slide thumbnail. From the context menu, click Skip Slide. The slide is now marked to be skipped during presentation. This doesn't delete the slide or its content, and it won't affect your layout or layers. It simply tells Figma to bypass that slide when you enter present mode, which is perfect for drafts, backup content, or alternate versions you're not ready to show. You can still edit the skipped slide at any time. It remains part of the file and visible to collaborators in the editor. If you want to unhide the slide later, repeat the same steps. Select the slide, right-click, and this time choose Unskip Slide. That instantly restores it to the presentation flow. It's a reversible toggle, so you can switch slides in and out of view as your story evolves. That's all you need to manage hidden slides in Figma. Open your deck from home, focus on the slide you want, right-click, and use Skip Slide to hide it or Unskip Slide to bring it back. It's simple, non-destructive, and keeps your presentation clean and focused while you iterate.